Let's be honest, when someone thinks of regulatory affairs, what comes to their mind is dusty compliance manuals, static formats, or some mind-numbing jargons. Well, I think that regulatory can be fun, creative, and scientific all at the same time. Hi, I'm Heena, founder of VidyaRA Training and MedTech Consulting. Having majored in regulatory affairs from one of the finest universities of the United States, having worked in MedTech regulatory for over a decade, being a professional trainer and a certified lead auditor, I see huge gaps in a way that regulatory capability is built, in a way this profession is perceived, and in a way regulatory requirements are misinterpreted. To bridge all this, VidyaRA presents VidyaRA Club, a space where we are going to hang out with professionals all around the globe. Stay tuned and subscribe now.